Is your school teachers quitting your school? Imagine a school without teachers. Kids will be super happy, but the management and the parents won't. In this video, I'm going to share with you 13 low effort, high impact initiatives you can do in your school to retain your teachers and make them happy. Are you ready? Not just that, I'm going to share with you a school teachers impact audit, which will help you to understand your overall teachers' capacity in your school. I'll also share with you 6 key problems teachers face that lead them to move out of your school. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, do subscribe to IE School, where we will be posting exclusive content for school owners and principals. Shall we begin? Let's go. The first one is school teachers' strength audit. Go grab a notepad and pen. I'm going to ask you 5 simple questions for which you're going to rate your school on a scale of 0 to 5. Okay? Are you ready? So the first question for you is, can we easily find qualified teachers for our school? Rate your school on a scale of 0 to 5. The second question is, are we able to retain our qualified teachers? The third question, are we keeping our teachers motivated and engaged? The fourth question, are we creating a multi-skilled teachers in our school? Fifth question, do our teachers have a culture of unity and are they vision driven? That's it. Now divide all your scores by 5. That will give you an average score of your school. If your score is less than 2.5, there is something you need to work on. If your score is above 3 and 4, you're already doing great. You can also do more by following these 13 impactful ideas. Shall we begin? So before we jump into 13, I'm going to share with you 6 core problems which cause us teachers to leave your school. The first important problem is burnout due to workload. The second, lack of recognition. Third, lack of growth opportunities. Fourth, lack of support system. Fifth, inadequate resources. Sixth, low salary. So these are the 6 core problems which lead a teacher to move out of your school. Okay. So now let's see 13 high impact initiatives which you can do in your school, which is less effort in implementation, but it can produce impactful results. The first initiative is run a teachers internship program. If you have a steady flow of teachers coming and going in your school, it will be easy for you to select the right skilled teacher to appoint as a full-time employee. How to do it? Run a 3-month internship program specifically for new teachers who are completing their B.Ed program. They need a lot of exposure. When they join the 3-month internship program, they can join with an existing teacher and learn. That way you will have a steady flow of interns as a teachers joining your school. The second is leave policies. Launch a leave policy for your school teachers, because most schools don't have a leave policy that lead them to burnout and stress. The third idea is rewards and recognition program. It's very important to constantly recognize the teacher's effort. How to do it? Launch a rewards and recognition program. Either the management on a monthly basis can recognize the teachers by giving them an Amazon coupon or even a gift, or you can give the power to all the teachers each other, where you give a budget for all the teachers. For every appreciation, they will give a part of their budget to the other teacher. In that way, your school will have a rewards and recognition as a culture. Fourth idea is launch well-planned trips and wellness retreats for teachers, because most schools just do trips for the children. They don't care about the teachers, but be the first school to launch wellness retreats or trips for your teachers. The fifth idea is celebrate life events and milestones. If your school is already doing it, great. If you are not doing it, it's very important to focus on what is that life event it's happening in their teacher's life. Celebrate it. If it can be a birthday, it can be an anniversary, then you celebrate more life events, personal life events. They will feel belonged to the school. Number 6, plan micro workshops for teachers. You can bring a resource person from outside to train your teachers, or even you can buy some courses and give it to your teachers and make them learn and get certified. That will be great, because teachers will feel they are progressing and learning constantly. And now, before we go to the next point, join IE School Principal Hub. We are a community of over 400 plus school principals across India, learning every week. We bring exclusive content for school principals and management members. If you are a management member or school principal watching this, I have shared the link below. Go and sign up. It's a free. Join and be part of the bigger growing community. So shall we go to the next? The 7th idea is launch a peer mentorship program. For a new teacher to join in a school, they will take a time to get along with the existing teacher. So if you have a teacher mentorship program where every new teacher will be assigned with the existing teacher as a peer mentorship, they will learn faster. By the way, your teacher community will actually grow inside the school. Number 8, simplify administrative tasks. If your school teachers are already doing administrative tasks, it's very important to simplify those administrative tasks, because as a teacher, they are doing a lot of things. If they're also spending time to do administrative tasks, they might get burnt. So simplify all the administrative tasks. Number 9, focus on teachers' resources. You can have a library of teaching materials from YouTube videos to worksheets or lesson plans, or even you can launch a lot of new academic programs like whatever we are doing in schools, STEM labs, AI labs, Dexter box, the curriculum aligned Dexter box, which will help schools teachers to teach all their science concepts in a very practical way, and smart assessment, which will help a teacher to assess all the children and give them a personalized report for every parent. By launching these new academic features, the teacher will get excited because they're also learning more, and also the quality of the entire school is growing up. Number 10, launch free mental health support to your teachers. Collaborate with some psychologist or even therapist and give offers to all the teachers saying every month you can take a couple of sessions for free and the school management will take care of it. If you give this opportunity, there will be someone for every teacher to go and speak to, and in that way the teachers' personal problems will get resolved and they'll be happy because they'll also feel the school is giving more importance to their mental wellness. Number 11, capture and share stories of happy teachers. It's very important to share and capture all these moments, because when you have the culture of focusing on the happy moments and the positive things, and when you capture and share it to the world, the teachers will feel so happy because they are getting recognized not only inside the school but also publicly. Number 12, understand the existing teacher on a regular basis. You can do this in two different ways. Either you send a Google form without mentioning the teacher details, they can share suggestions about anything. Can be about the school, about the management, about the teachers, about the children, or anything this teacher want to share with you. Number 2, do a group brainstorming. Bring all the teachers together on a regular basis. Monthly basis will be ideal. Ask questions like this: as a school management, what can we improve? As a teaching group, what can we improve? As a subject matter expert, how can we make the concept even better for the children? When you keep doing this kind of question and some team brainstorming, you will get a lot of ideas, and school teachers will also start to implement in their regular classroom as well. And the last final idea, plan all your initiative collaboratively with your teachers, because it's very important. Teachers should feel they're part of something bigger, not just the vision, but also in everyday action, they should feeling that this is my initiative, this is my school. So plan all the new initiative along with the teachers. It will make them feel belong, and it will bring a lot of unity among the teachers as well. So how was the 13 ideas? If you want to download this as a mind map, I have given the link in the description. Go download and have this mind map handy, which has all these 13 ideas listed. Now in the comment section, comment what are the top 3 ideas you want to implement. If you have any questions, or if you want to know more about our products, exclusive products like STEM Lab, AI Lab, Dexter Box, or even Smart Assessment, I've given the contact details of my team members. You can call and understand how this can help your school to grow. If you find this video useful, share this with your school principal or the school management, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.